Okay, best regards. My name is Ana Granados. I belong to the Industrial Engineer program of the course Strategic Management. So, in this phase, I'm going to present you about the phase 4 team leaderships. So we have a few activities about the Facebook case. So we have to do a concept mate with the problem, cause, and consequence. So I made this concept map. We have the Facebook case that, as we know it, Facebook is a website which allows users who sign up for free profiles to connect with another friends. So Facebook actually is facing problems. So we have first the plummeting stock prices that represent an economic losses for the company. Second, we have the fake news. The fake news are caused by publications of dubious origins. So as we know, many people can do many publications that doesn't mean there are truth. So this is our reasons for looking measures to help support journalism and also protect the vital role that independent news media. Another problem that Facebook faces is the exodus of its workforce. This is caused by two reasons. First, the shame of the worker. So the worker's feelings that there is no future as a worker in Facebook. So, as if they stay too long on a sinking ship, that are their feelings. Another problem is the current employers are increasingly reaching out to former employees to ask for your reference. So this is because Facebook classifies departing employers as a regrettable or not regrettable. So people are searching another jobs different of Facebook. So is this the presentations? Thank you very much.